Here we have the best vegan stuffed shells recipe.
All right, Chef Maul, I'm gonna try your vegan stuffed shell recipe. Let's get it. So first we're gonna chop up our onions and some bell peppers. In this recipe, I just had orange, yellow on hand. So use whatever colors that you have. Get some jumbo stuffed shells. Go ahead and put your water on the stove. Get that ready for them to boil. I use 1.5 boxes for this recipe. We're gonna add some sun-dried tomatoes, chop them up really small, put some olive oil in the pan, go ahead and give those a good stir. Add some tomato paste. I use some raw walnuts and added all my seasoning. This is gonna be more of like an Italian flavor for this particular stuffed shell, so we went ahead and added some tomato sauce. For the seafood flavor, we're gonna use some hearts of palm, artichoke hearts, as well as some frozen spinach. Go ahead and add your seafood seasoning. I use Old Bay, Nori, Furikake, some vegan Parmesan. Stir that all in, give it a good whip, and taste a little bit because that's what we do. And wow, this is giving. Go ahead and make your cashew cream sauce. You just add some cashews, water, Parmesan, a little fresh basil. Give that a good blend. I use the Vitamix, and that is going to be like a cream sauce. Add your frozen spinach, add your cashew cream sauce, and go ahead and stir that in. Grab a baking dish, put some tomato sauce at the bottom of the pan. This is where we're going to bake our stuffed shells. Go ahead and add that Italian filling and seafood filling into your shells. Just layer those with the cashew cream sauce and drizzle that on top. I added some Daiya cheese to top them off with a little bit more marinara sauce. Get ready to throw these in the oven. They're already looking divine. Go ahead and bake these. I'll put the recipe in the caption. And these came out so well, you guys. This is my first time making this recipe, and I was extremely happy. Look at the smile on my face. And when I tell you, this was the seafood flavor, you gotta try it.